Hello guys and welcome back. Just a few months ago I made a video on the project by Beyond. So just a quick recap. Beyond is a sister company to Omniat Group, and if you know Omniat here in Dubai, they do only luxury, high end, and that's exactly what even the Beyond is going to do. They have already launched Saria, which was just at the beginning of the Maritime City, and after that they launched Orise, Building A and Building B right over here, Building A and Building B, which is now fully sold out. So what now they are launching is basically this tower. This is Sensia by Beyond, and this is also going to be located right on the same line, having the best of the sea views, and also on the backside as well you will be able to get a bit of the maritime city views and also the water views. So let's get into the details of it. So in total, Beyond is going to have 10 buildings here, of which, as you can see, that there's so many amenities that's going to be more of a community living. So what you're going to get here is basically a lagoon, water features, going to have promenade restaurants around here, spa and retail stores. On my left here, you are going to have a wave pool here. This is going to be your swimmable pool, and also you're going to have the beach pool right over here. What you're going to get here is 1, 2, 3 bedroom apartments, then you have 3 and 4 bedroom duplexes, and then you have one penthouse which is going to be on the highest floor. So in total you have G plus 34 floors. The 1 bedrooms here would be facing towards the back, where you're going to have the maritime view and the water view. The 2 and 3 bedrooms, the way it is strategically designed in a way, the positioned in a way, is that you're going to get the best of the views here facing towards the water, and also the front here will be facing towards the water and the amenities as well. There's one point that I'd like to mention is here in total you have the 10 buildings, as I mentioned. These two are already launched. This one is launching right now, which is the Sensia. And in the future, Beyond is going to be launching the rest of the 7 buildings. The prices are only going to increase as and when they're going to be launching them. And I believe that the best of the investment is when you start early. And I think that the best of the prices started with these. This is also a very good start to the best prices that you can get. The sizes here for the 1 bedrooms would be between 760 going up to 870 square feet, and the prices here starting from only 2.1 million dirhams. The 2 bedrooms here will be between 1200 going up to 1700 square feet, and the prices here starting from 3.47 million dirhams. Then you have the 3 bedrooms here, it's going to be between 1750 square feet going up to 2600 square feet, and the prices here starting from 6.81 million dirhams. Then you're going to have the 3 and 4 bedroom duplexes, which will be located right over here. This will have high ceilings, approximately 9 to 10 meters of ceiling height. Then your penthouse here, just one unit of it. For those details, please get in touch with me. That will be upon request. The payment plan here will be 50-50. 50% during construction with only 10% of booking amount, and the 50% here will be on handover, which is expected by Q3 2028. The registrations are already open and the bookings are going to begin very soon. We are also going to have a day designated only for the bulk buyers. So if anyone is interested in 3 units and above, then that's going to be given the priority. And for the individual units, we're going to start in a few days. If you would like to secure your units here, then get in touch with me, call or WhatsApp me, and I'll be able to assist you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.